Alrighty peeps, back in action, Lily Bomb time. So doing some architecture. Nice little modern, simple building in the wilderness. So I'm getting the sky background going, selecting some of the colors from the actual photo this time, putting them on the gradient, altering it a little bit just to make it a little more vibrant, nothing crazy. Now making the mountain layer or horizon line, just kind of loosely putting all that in there, put a few layers of this. There goes the second layer, getting a little closer. And then the closest layer, I might do one more. Yeah, one more. Or no, I don't. I wait for the bushes. Yes. Now just going through, and then now I'm just like off the rails. I'm not trying to make it look like the photo at all. I'm just gonna play with some colors. Bushes. My little weird connect the dots style for the bushes. And I don't know why I did this way. Like I said, every time, just kind of playing, having fun. I'm using the direct select tool, the white arrow, kind of grabbing points, pulling them down. Then use the pin tool to delete some points. Whenever you have the pin tool selected, if you hover over a point that's already there, you can delete it. And if you hover over the path, you can hold down shift and add a point in. Or actually, I don't even think you have to hold shift. If you just hover over the path, an existing path with the pin tool, you can add a point. Now I'm putting some color on these guys. At first I was just going to do all blocks of color, but I don't know, this wasn't quite doing it for me. As you can see, now looking back at it, I'm kind of regretting I didn't keep it just like super simple blocks of color, but in the moment, playing with the gradients. Gradient tool is always finicky with me. I feel like it's not very intuitive. But hey, who am I? Flipping it around. Putting a little more contrast in the color so you can notice the gradient actually. I'm just kind of going through and using pretty much the same gradient, although if it doesn't have enough contrast to the one in the front and back of it, then I might pop in a brighter or a darker color just to push it or pull it from the one it's next to. Trying to get that angle right. See how it kind of blended in with that one behind it, so I lightened up that color. Darken that one up to kind of push it back a little bit. Now time for the horizon, once I realized I wasn't going to keep them solid colors. Now it's looking kind of like some rolling hills. It's kind of how stuff like this evolves, like it starts out as an image of one thing, and I like the image, the photo, but then as you're illustrating it, you're like, oh, it kind of just let it turn into its own thing. The photo's just a jumping off point. I'm playing around with these gradients. I was watching a video podcast on YouTube while I was creating this, so I kept getting distracted, and then I'd forget what part of the gradient I was on. But hey, that's a good distraction. Multitasking. The building. I love these super simple buildings. I wish I could build one of these myself. Just a box, a huge glass window. Although I guess I don't know what other kind of windows there are. A big window. Trying to get interior, just really basically roughed in, just so you can kind of tell, just so when you're looking through that window you can see some dimension back there. Bringing back the good old gradients into the case. These side ones I kept messing with and I never really got them where I liked them, so I ended up just putting the reflection on the window to kind of block them. Yeah, I could never quite get them. I almost feel like I probably should have just not even put them in there since you're looking at a straight up shot, but I wanted it to feel a little bit deeper, I don't know, more dimension. I don't even know if that worked that way, but hey. Now putting the frame of the window, a little ledge, kind of giving it a little bit softer than a black. Looking for that wood color. Looking like a thumb right now with a broken fingernail. There we go, that helps kind of warm it up. Now let's see if we can get this essentially looking like some glass. Actually looking like some glass. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of a shadow with a little window ledge. Playing with the opacity, that was like a little too long of a shadow for the small ledge that I want it to be. Just keep playing with it. And I was like, oh, if I bow it out a little, it kind of gives it a little more of that angle from the sun. I feel like this whole video is just playing with gradients. Should have called it a gradient video. Great gradient video. Now it's time for some details. We're just breezing through this one here, people. Yep. Some reflection. Getting there. Need one more to cover that janky angle that I put in there. Pulled that frame towards the front, just selected it and hit arrange, bring it to the front. Time for some of the little wood slat details. Taking out some of those smaller ones, it was just a little too much. And this is something I learned a long time ago with illustration. You don't have to put from top to bottom all the lines, because then it's just too much. You just want to give enough of it so you realize that there's a pattern and that there's some vertical wood strips. Your brain kind of fills in the rest and it makes it more aesthetically pleasing. If you put in every single one, every single detail, your brain and your eyes don't work that way. When you're seeing something, you're not taking in all the info at once. You're kind of taking it into the whole. If that makes sense. I'm just talking on my ass. But you see what I'm saying? Like, now you can see, you know that there's up and down strips of wood, or that there's a pattern of some sort that's up and down slender vertical wood pieces. If I put every single one on there, it would almost kill that whole look, because there'd be so much going on, you'd just be like, I don't even know what the hell's happening. So saving it all up, I think oh yeah, a little shadow for the roof. It's got a little bit of an overhang, not much, just a touch. And I think we're about done, folks. Yeah, adjust that gradient for this great gradient escape video. And that's it. That's the vertical modern house off in the woods that I wish I could have. Go to lilybomb.com. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the channel. Get you a shirt. I love you. See you soon. Lily Bomb.